On Garda Síochána are now saying that they are interested or are looking into investigating the managers of X for publicating child abuse images. Under Irish law, it is in fact illegal to share and publish child abuse images. What the Garda is looking into is if they can wiggle around the law to see if they can go after, say, the software companies that produce the alleged child abuse images. Now, the Garda is saying that they have been sent evidence of child abuse images, so I can't question that. What I do think is concerning that this is probably political policing, which we did see during the years of people protesting against the iPad centres on Garda Síochána, will regularly support the political interests of the government over the security interests of Irish people. So why go after X while at the same time Facebook and WhatsApp are famous for sharing child abuse images, and the technology behind creating AI generated child abuse images have been around since the 90s. So why aren't you going after all those companies? Why specifically X, which is quite strange? I don't question that they weren't sent child abuse images from people, but I personally have never seen child abuse images on X. Now, I'm also not going to be clicking on many sexy images that I see on X. So some of the trans stuff that I see, I don't know if that counts as child abuse images, because I don't click on them or investigate them. Because there's a huge difference between a consenting adult getting involved in trans stuff and a innocent child. So, but also, what about the Department of Education that produces a lot of, I don't know, sexual imagery regarding children in some of their publications? I recommend talking to the organization Not All Gays regarding some of the disturbing practices alleged that belong to or involved in. So I'd be very happy to jail all pedophiles, even if that includes employees of X, but it's a bit odd going after X while we can see Irish politicians actively promoting the sexualization of children. So, but I'll, of course, very happy to support the current law, which is prosecuting people who publicize and share child abuse images. Ugh, murky topic. It's quite disturbing, but as adults, we do have to discuss these things, and it would be great if we could discuss this topic with our government, but alas, all they want to do is go after their political rivals. Aaron Gabra.